Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to share Facebook post to Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you land on this home page, now tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then again tap on three-line icon from the upper right corner. From this drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you land on Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account Sender. Again tap on Profiles. So in order to share Facebook post to Instagram, first of all, you have to link your Facebook account with Instagram. If you haven't linked your account yet, then you can simply tap on Add Account and add your Facebook account. Once you add your Facebook account, then head one step back. Then under Connected Experiences, tap on Sharing Across Profile. Since we are sharing our post from Facebook, so tap on Share from your Facebook account, and it says share from your Facebook account to Instagram account. And under that there is two options that says your Facebook story and your Facebook post. So to share Facebook post, turn on the toggle that says your Facebook post. So once you turn on that and once you share your Facebook post, it will get automatically shared to Instagram post as well. Now to share the Facebook post, open up the Facebook application on your device, then make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now make a post by tapping on this option that says what's on your mind, and as you can see, the option to share on Instagram is automatically turned on, and that's how you can simply share Facebook posts to Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.